Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you does the device comes with a charger brick inside the box. So let's first open the box here, and now we'll check and see all of the accessories. And now we can see here that our device comes with the original Vivo charger brick, just in the white color, the original one with all of the specs here, so you can check that later. And yeah, our device comes with a charger brick, as can you see. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.